Hi, I am Rishabh, the creator of BUCKOID app. In our daily basis, how much we spend, we don't keep a track, and we ultimately spend a lot more than our budget. We need a budget manager or an expense tracking app. Our main motive is to visualize their expense. This project proposes an expense tracking app. Luckily, BUCKOID is more than an expense tracker. Through this app, you can track all your expenses and you can compare them with your monthly income with the budget manager. We can keep a track of all the expenditures that we are doing on our daily basis. Also, this app shows you that in which category you are spending and how much you are spending. Through this app, we can check in which month or year we are spending our money, and we can keep a track. Being a student, I spend a lot of money and do over expenditure. I am bored out of those apps which only shows numbers and the bad UI UX. So I thought of creating this app through which I can help out myself and all other people like those who are facing the same problem. I am working on this app currently, and in future I will be working on this solution and I will improve it in a much better way. BUCKOID is available on Play Store, and recently it has completed 50 plus downloads in Play Store. I will look forward for this app to take part in the solutions challenge. And at the end, thank you for considering my app.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarvesh Vyas and I'm from Ramdev Baba College of Engineering and Management. The problem I'm trying to solve with this app is to make credit transactions paperless. The name of the app is Credizy. The key features of the app are that the creditor can directly call his or her customers from the app itself. For security purposes, the app has OTP authentication to verify its users. Also, the UI of the app is quite appealing and easy to understand as it uses the latest Android material design team. My father has a business in the village, and I noticed that there were around 300 to 400 credit accounts, and the transactions of these accounts were done manually and were written in a book. This book had to be renewed every year, as it would get filled up. I found this task quite cumbersome and time-taking, so I thought of coming up with an app which would do all of these transactions and would make it easily accessible and maintainable. I would definitely continue to build on this app as there are some features yet to be added. The app is not yet available on Play Store, but I'm definitely planning to deploy it in the near future. I will not be able to use this app for the upcoming Google Solution Challenges as I have my exams coming up.
This is Shubham Jitya, and this video is regarding an Android application which I just recently developed in Android Study Champs. My Android application name is GOD, Goal of the Day. You can search it on Play Store and give your reviews over there so that I can improve it more in future. My Android application provides various features and functionalities, like you can add your daily task, and after adding the task you can prioritize them in different colors. There is also a separate option available in which you can add your monthly goals as well. My inspiration came from one of the most popular book written by Brian Tracy named Eat That Frog, which basically focuses on how you can increase your productivity. And I'm not planning to use this application in Google's solution challenge. So this was all about a brief introduction of my Android application. Make sure that you download from Play Store and give your reviews over there.